Welcome to solverfy.
So we have to find out the number mole of manganese in 62 milligram of manganese. Okay, first of all, when we have to convert mass to number of mole, we are using the equation is number of moles equal to mass over molar mass. So mm stands for molar mass. And for in this equation, for the mass is always in gram, molar mass will be gram per mole. And for number of mole, of course, will be number of moles. But we are given is in milligram. So for each milligram, so 1 milligram will corresponding to 10 to the 3 gram, or 1 over 1,000 gram. So we have to first convert our weight or the mass from milligram to gram. So from here, we will have divide by 1,000, 0.062 gram. Will be our mass for manganese. Okay, and then we are going to find the manganese molar mass. So it will be 54.6, 64.94 gram per mole. And then when we use our calculator, we are going to find out the number of moles. So it will be equals to 1.1 times 10 to the 3 moles. And his number of moles of manganese is 62 milligrams of manganese. Okay, part B, what would be the number of mole of 1.36 times 10 to the power 22 atom of copper? So if the conversion factor between the mole or an atom is that when we have 1 mole, we will have 6.02 times 10 to 23 atom. So this is called the Avogadro number. Yeah. So you want to find the number of moles pretty easy. So essentially, the number of moles will be equals our number of atom divided by the Avogadro number. So 10 to 23. And then again, we're going to use our calculator to find out the actual number of moles. So it will be equals to 0.0226 mole for copper. Okay, for part C, we need to find the mass of 8.05 times 10 to 24 of lithium atom. So we're going to look at the new page over here. So we need 8.05 times 10 to the 24 lithium atom, and we want to find the mass of it. All right, again, if we want to find the mass, we are going to look at the number of mass, and we should be able to find that the mass equals to number of moles times the molar mass. All right, so we just need to find the number of moles. So number of moles, again, if it equals to our atom divided by the Avogadro number, 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. And then again, use our calculator, we should be able to find out the number of moles. And it should be roughly 13.4 mole. Okay, so just again to double check, make sure we have the right answers. Okay, so when I have the number of moles, we just multiply that by the molar mass. So we have the mass equals to number of moles, 30.4 moles, multiplied by the molar mass of lithium. So for lithium, the molar mass will be 6.9 41 gram per mole. You can find that from your textbook. This number will vary a little bit, depending what kind of textbook you use and what will be the source. So yeah, this is a value from my textbook. So we just take 6.941 times 13.4. We will have 93.0 gram for 8.05 times